Last two pieces and the sword is done.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is part 3 and the last of making Elven Sword. And we're starting from grinding the ricasso because it is roughly shaped and it needs to be a little bit more smooth. And also because you told me that it will be better to round the spine, we are going to make it. I also think that it will be more elfish style. Some of you might know that I've planned to make some brass inlay on the handle. However, I am completely not prepared for this task. I don't have proper tools, but I can make it. And that is the beauty of the craftsmanship. You can make tools if you don't have it. I've made a few engraving tools and I'm going to try to transfer this graphic on this aluminum plate. I hope it won't be super difficult. So, this was my first attempt, and I must say, it is ugly. This is my second attempt, and there is no difference between those two. So, I've started thinking maybe something wrong is with the engraving tools. I started reading, and there is a specific correlation between the face and the heel of each tool. And after sharpening correctly my engraving tool, this is my third attempt. And I must say that I am a little less terrified on the idea of making brass inlay. However, you must know that the engraving and metal inlaying is not the same thing. For engraving, most of the time you are using V-shape engraving tool. However, if you want to put a metal into the groove must be prepared to hold this metal inside. So in general you must use a flat engraving tool and chisel some U-shaped tunnel. I was trying to cheat it a little bit and I've tried to use milling machine, but it is not working even with 0.3mm rotary file. Also, soldering is not an option, so basically the only option left is standard hammer and chisel engraving technique, something that I've never done before. So guys, I have never ever before been so far away from my comfort zone. But the sword is ready, and I must say that this project was a real challenge. So if you like it, give a thumbs up. If you want to support me, subscribe my channel. This is all for today. Have a great day. We see you in the next episode. Bye bye.